Hey there, my name is Joey Randazzo, and I'm the owner of SEO Growth Partners based here in Portland, Oregon. And you're probably wondering why in the world are we on this screen here for this website? Well, this is one of our clients. This is Cedar Pest Software. This is a SaaS company. And this video is going to be all about content creation for SaaS companies. What should you do? What should you consider? And specifically, this video is going to be talking about some of the SEO opportunities that content creation can create for SaaS companies. So Cedar Pest Software is a SaaS company for pest managers to, routing. They've got payment processing, reporting, a bunch of different things. They just launched this website about 2.5 months ago. So if you know anything about SEO, when you launch a new website, you're basically starting from a domain authority score of 0. The website doesn't have any content on it. Google doesn't know about the website. And so you're starting from scratch. And ranking from an SEO perspective and driving traffic from Google is very hard to do quickly for a brand new website. So I wanted to show this example of what we did starting from scratch. Some SaaS companies have already got websites. Some are starting from scratch. And I want to lay some of the foundation framework that you can use if you're starting from scratch, or if not, you can use these same frameworks. So the homepage is very, very important, especially if you're a vertically integrated SaaS company. Let's say you're a SaaS company for florists. I don't know, you've got this particular SaaS product to help florists. Well, your homepage has the opportunity to rank for the bottom of funnel keywords such as florist software. In this case, it's pest control software or pest software. So the homepage has the opportunity to rank for that keyword. And so the homepage should be designed for a couple reasons. One, to rank, and secondly, to convert. So this homepage is not just SEO stuffed, as you can see. You can go to this page and you can read it yourself. You can see all the different features and all this type of stuff. Testimonials, it links to blog content, forms to get started, all that type of stuff, links to the actual product. It's a very well done homepage. Every SaaS product has particular features. And so every SaaS company, from my perspective, maybe there's a handful that should have a feature section. And this feature section should be nested in this way. You should have all of the features living under some sort of features section. You can call it features, you can call it tools, you can call it whatever you want. But this is really important from a site architecture perspective. And then it allows you to have each feature have its own landing page. So now if someone's searching for pest control scheduling software, you not only have the opportunity to rank for that, but when someone lands on this page, it's speaking to their intent very, very directly. And then you've got this for all of the different particular features that this brand has. And so what has this done? Again, this was all published within the last 2.5 months. And if we look at how long it takes for SEO, you'll look at, all of the most authoritative websites out there, the thought leaders in the space, such as Search Engine Journal, SEMrush, Ignite Visibility, all of these, it's about 4 to 12 months with an average of 6 months. Even Google put out its own documentation that if you're hiring an SEO person in-house or a third party, expect about 6 months. And so this is only a couple months, and we've taken them from a brand new website that doesn't exist to now ranking for 110 different keywords. And of those, the mobile pest control software is already ranking at the top of page 2 in position 13. And it's going to that specific features page, right? Because there's a mobile page. Routing software, 19th. Pest software in general, this is going to the home page, remember, is ranking 19th. Their holy grail of keywords, pest control software with 880 searches per month, very difficult. They're already ranking on page 3 of Google. Again, this is very, very fast for a brand that currently has a domain authority score of really, really low. This is quite impressive. Their authority score is 4. And so being able to rank, that means that as their authority increases, this content that we're creating is going to be very, very powerful to rank. The next part about content creation for SaaS companies is answer the questions that your target audience is asking, and do that through long form content. So if we go down to their blog section, we'll see that one of their, let's see, so 9 effective tips for pest control technician retention. So this is talking about, this is a problem that folks have. Technician retention is really important. You don't want to have to go out and hire new technicians. And so this is relevant for a pest control company. They're searching for this. They're curious about this information. So this is thought leadership content, and it's quite robust. It talks about the 9 different things, and it goes into great detail on all of this. This is not some fluff BS article. This is from a thought leader who's been running a pest control business for a very long time. So this piece of content was published. I think they're still working on getting the publishing date added to this, but it was within, again, the last 2 months. And technician retention is a keyword that is ranking, I think, in position 11 already. So, yep, 11th is where this keyword is ranking. So again, this is the couple areas. The homepage is very important. Features pages are very important. And then long form blog article content answering the questions and queries that your target audience is asking around your SaaS industry. So if you're a SaaS, again, using the example earlier for florists, what questions and queries are florists asking? And there could be a lot of different questions. The next example is for CM Fusion. We started working with them back around this time period where they were averaging about 200 organic visitors per month from Google. And now they're well over 1,000 organic visitors per month from Google. This is a tool called SEMrush. This does not have access to the backend data of this company's brand, and we do not want to share the actual backend data. This is pretty close. CM Fusion is performing better than SEMrush is saying, but again, same thing. We use the exact same process, creating features pages, boosting the homepage. You'll see all of these different features, boosting the homepage, and then also creating long form blog content. The formula is the exact same. And so they've gone from, again, about 200 organic visitors per month to well over 1,000 organic visitors per month. And they're ranking for some really interesting keywords. If we look at all the keywords that they're ranking for, they were ranking for about 197 keywords. And now they're ranking for 1,300 keywords. And those keywords are how to calculate labor and material cost, construction bid tracking spreadsheet, construction bid tracker, RFI and submittal tracking software. That's like exactly what they want to rank for. Cloud-based construction management, RFI management software ranking second, RFI tracking software, RFI software, construction cost tracking software. They're ranking at the top of the pile for a lot of these queries that people are looking for. These are people going to Google every month, typing in this keyword and wanting to find software to solve their problem, wanting to find a SaaS product. And so the content creation that we've done, again, homepage, features pages, as well as the blog content, that 3-step formula has gotten them to this point. And they've recently told us that their amount of inbound requests are 5x what they were before we started working with them. Very, very valuable. So if you're a SaaS company and you're considering what sort of content creation you should do, this is the formula. We've done it before. It's worked. If you're looking for help, our team can support. And you can go to portlandseogrowth.com to reach out. Thanks.